Hello guys, in this video we are going to review the best Kodi build. This build is one of the most Kodi builds available, as it's full of contents, categories, and has user-friendly interface. For this reason and more, it's considered one of the best Kodi builds. Before we get to that, you might want to use a VPN if you're worried about your ISP tracking your online activity. If you connect the internet to a VPN, the provider of your internet services want to be able to see what you're doing online. I use IP Vanish VPN, which is the fastest and most secure VPN. It is very easy to install on any device including Amazon Fire Stick. You save up to 63% off on its annual plan. Also, it comes with a 30 days money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, you can always ask for a refund. You will find discount with exclusive link right below this video. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media to get notified every time I post new updates.